Today I'm going to explain how to remove backgrounds from a picture. So please select this picture and then go to format and then click remove background, and then after that I need to select this is for the stands. This is for the stands. This is so like this I want to give, so I choose marks areas to give. After that I need to select this, and then I adjust my picture. After that I can click keep changes, so I can get the nude pictures without backgrounds. That's what we can do removing background. Thanks for watching.